Let's make low-carb pasta chips. I found this carbonara pasta on Amazon. I linked it in my bio so it's easier for you to find. It's 17 net carbs for 1.5 cups. And before you say it, I know this isn't the most ideal shape, but it worked. So I boiled it. It only took 3 minutes, strained it, taste tested this, and oh my god, it tasted like real pasta. Dumped that in my air fryer, sprayed it down with a little olive oil, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and some Parmesan cheese. Gave that a good toss and put it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes. Keep on shaking while they're frying, and they should turn out something like this. Of course, these aren't the ideal shape, as I've said before, but they work. You want to make the viral pasta chips, but you're low carb.